Will we ever travel at the speed of light? No. So that's a simple answer. Anything that has mass cannot travel at the speed of light. But anything that is massless, that has no mass, has to travel at the speed of light. So photons, which are particles of light, for which, by the way, Einstein got the Nobel Prize, essentially, for something called the photoelectric effect back in 1905. So Einstein didn't get the Nobel Prize for relativity. He got it for this idea that you can think of light as a stream of particles hitting something and firing electrons out of it. So it's called the photoelectric effect. The way we understand physics at present, photons travel at the speed of light, not because they're light, but because they have no mass. So it should really be called the speed of massless particles, and that's built into Einstein's theory. It was subsequently realized, basically. So will we ever travel at the speed of light? No, unless you have no mass. What is space? And that is a very good question. The answer is we don't know. So one of our theories is that space and time, for that matter, so I should say back in 1905 Einstein realized that space and time are not separate, but they're woven together into something that's often called the fabric of the universe, or more technically space-time. But we now suspect, or at least we have a theory, that space-time emerges from something deeper, which is just basically quantum entanglement. So we think that there is a description of our universe which is just technical quantum bits of information that are entangled together into some sort of network, so space and time don't exist in that network, and then space and time emerge from that deeper theory. This is cutting edge physics, but it's one of the pictures that we have for what space and time might be. It's the size of the universe. The bit we can see, which is what's called the observable universe, has about between 1 and 2 trillion galaxies in it, depending on how you know, little tiny galaxies and big galaxies, but it's some, let's say, 1 trillion-ish. And that is only a small patch of the universe that exists, so we're sure of that. Whether the universe is infinite in all directions, we don't actually know, but as far as we can tell, it could be. So my favourite fact about the universe is that it might be infinitely big.